Welcome back to The French Kiss Cook. Today we're gonna make a delicious pasta salad with kidney beans, full of beautiful colors and vegetables. The water is boiling, so let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and salt my water, and then we'll cook our fusilli noodles. You can use whichever kind of medium-sized noodles you like. And while the pasta is cooking, we're gonna play a little game I like to call Chop Chop, because we're gonna be chopping all these vegetables for this delicious salad. And of course, we're gonna be doing it on this beautiful cutting board by Vincent Trudel Atelier. I've linked his contact in the description. Make sure to check him out. We're gonna start with a couple pieces of celery. This is gonna give some amazing crunch to our salad. I'm also gonna chop up some radish, either 4, 5, 6 of them. Just gonna trim the tail and then cut them in half, and then thinly slice them. Okay, that's it for the radish. And some bell pepper. You can use green, red, orange. I'm trying to get as many colors as I can in this salad, so I went with orange. My pasta is ready, so I'm just going to take it out of the water and into a dish so I can place them in the fridge. If you don't have one of these strainer spoons, I highly recommend it. That way you're not left with a face full of steam trying to strain the pasta. I'm quickly going to pop this pasta into the fridge to let it cool down, and meanwhile, we're going to make the dressing. So in a small bowl, combine a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. To that, I'll add some pickle juice, a couple tablespoons, 1 or 2 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna crush it right into here. If you love garlic, by all means, add as much as you want. I'm also gonna add a teaspoon of sweet onion mustard, and of course, a couple tablespoons of fresh dill. Give it a good chop. Make sure it's nice and fine. And then add it to our bowl with the rest of the ingredients. As you can tell, this salad is going to be delicious. We'll add a pinch of salt. Give it a good stir until smooth and well combined. We'll put the dressing aside. We'll add our pasta, which has cooled down now, into the bowl with our chopped veggies. And to that, we'll add our red kidney beans and 1/2 cup of corn kernels. Now that all our ingredients are in the bowl, you could keep the dressing separate from the rest of the ingredients if you're going to travel with the salad, but I'm going to go ahead and add it right away. Now let's give it a good stir. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this bowl and refrigerate the salad until I'm ready to serve. This salad is perfect to bring to a barbecue, to a potluck, and the whole family is bound to love it. Thanks for watching. Find the full recipe at frenchkisscook.com. Make sure to click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.